thumbs up. Here, let's quit.
You want?
Okay. Fire.
Yes, it's so
Girl,
good.
give
It's
me
like
camera.
y'all. It tastes just like McDonald's frappe.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making Dollar Tree Caramel Frappes. Well, the main ingredient, this is from the Dollar Tree. Sometimes the Dollar Tree has the whipped cream, but this is a non-dairy whipped cream, which is best for me. You know, the ones who out there lactose intolerant. This right here is good. It's from Myers. Well, that's where I got it from. I don't know if they sell it anywhere else, but yeah. And then we got our ice. So, and one more thing. We're going to be using some caramel. I can't find my other caramel, but shoot, this'll do. So let's get into it. Alright, you guys. So I got this little thing from the Dollar Tree. I haven't tried it. I'm not a big coffee fan, but shoot, this should work. Hopefully it's good. Someone put me on to it, so I said I would try it and try to make a caramel frappe. So, Sister Nancy, we about to try it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add some ice. I think I'm doing like 2 scoops of it. And then we are going to add our iced latte. Gonna pour that in there. Well, I hope that's good. I'm not a big coffee fan, but sure, we finna find out. And then next, we are just going to blend that up. Alright guys, I think I'm going to go ahead and add my little caramel dip to it. So let's go ahead and do that. Add like a scoop of it in there. Might even do 2 scoops. Put that in there. I think I'm going to do one more. So let's see what that do. I want it to be like a little sweet. It really ain't trying to taste no coffee. Shoot, but let's see. Y'all know I had to do a little taste test to make sure I added enough little caramel. When I tell y'all this is fire, oh my God, fire. Y'all make y'all own little caramel frappes at home, 100. Get your little Kroger ruler, go to ruler. If you got a ruler, if you got a Kroger, go get this, man. This caramel be fire. I mean fire on anything, and it's fire in this drink. Alright, y'all, so the next step is to go ahead and put this in our cups. Kanaya's here. She wanted to do this so bad, so let's go ahead and get it. Alright, y'all, let's pour up. By the way, this little cup right here from the Dollar Tree. Oh, guys, that looks fire. Let me bring y'all a little closer. Yes. And let's see if this whipped cream gonna get the acting right. Oh, wow. Alright, guys. Kania's gonna try it. Bottoms up. Here, let's quit.
You want?
Fire.
Yes, it's so
Girl,
good.
you
It's
look
like
careful.
y'all. It tastes just like McDonald's Frappe. If y'all ever had McDonald's Frappe, oh my god.
Fire, y'all. Go run to the Dollar Tree. Where's the thing at? This right here, y'all. She woke up. Fire.
Yeah, guys, 10 out of 10. Fire.
For real, for real. Well, y'all, thanks for watching. What are they supposed to do?
Like, comment, subscribe.
Girl, why you ain't in the video? Yeah, like, comment, and subscribe,
guys.
y'all. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Bye.